What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best food scales. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a solid product, we especially singled out for you the Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale, which took the title of the best budget food scale available on the market in 2022. This model offers an exceptionally high level of accuracy, thanks to sensor technology. With a weight limit of 5,100 grams and a graduation of 1 gram, it's ideal for both basic and complex recipes. In terms of capacity, this device offers a relatively large weighing capacity, where you can weigh items as heavy as 11.24 pounds. So you have no problem weighing heavy foods like chicken, fruit, or nuts. Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale is so small and portable that you can take it anywhere without taking up space and use it at any time. And considering that it can weigh in increments of 1 gram to 5 kilograms, it is very precise and efficient. Features 2 large multifunction buttons that generate a confirmation click sound when pressed for added confidence. The device runs on a pair of AAA batteries, and you don't have to remove screws or do anything complicated to change them when they run out. Another advantage that needs to be highlighted is that its platform is polished chrome and is far away enough from the screen that it doesn't block it when you use the dish. The tare function calculates the net weight of your ingredients and automatically subtracts the weight of the container. Overall, this model's design is attractive and looks pretty high quality despite the affordable price tag. The device is available in many different color options, including black, white, red, teal and silver, blue, pink, green, and more, so you're sure to find the one to match your kitchen decor. Also, Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale has an automatic shut-off function after 2 minutes of inactivity, which users really like. The scale also has a large LCD screen that provides a wide viewing angle, so you don't have to worry about that. For the listed price, we're thoroughly impressed. If you're searching for the top bang for the buck, we've selected the Greater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale for you as the best value food scale available on the market in 2022. If you're looking for a portable, aesthetically pleasing scale that's simple in design and function, yet accurate, easy to read and clean, you found it. What interests us most about this product is the zeroing function. You only tap the button once after turning it on, and then you can scale things as much as you like all the time. The scale measures in multiple units, going from just 1 gram up to 5 kilograms or 11 pounds. It can display measured weights in grams, pounds and ounces, fluid ounces or millimeters. If that sounds familiar, that's because it is. Like the Escali Kitchen Scale, the Greater Goods is one of the lightest and most powerful scales you'll find. The device also has a high contrast LCD screen that's easy to read from different angles, and also a tare zero function, which measures even the messiest ingredients in the bowl. What makes this one different is the material used in the construction. Made from durable plastic, the Greater Goods scale is slim, sleek, and incredibly easy to use, move, and clean. But that's not the only difference. The Greater Goods scale also uses food-grade batteries. Measuring to the 1/10 of an ounce, the Greater Goods scale isn't incredibly precise, but it's simple and effective and still gets the job done. Also, as another advantage, the tip of the scale is resistant to scratches and is quite easy to clean and maintain. The only slight downside is the size. The small stainless steel plate doesn't give you much space, so we recommend you find a cup or bowl that fits you and use it as a measuring cup. Plus, they come with an impressive 5-year warranty. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present to you the Escali Primo Digital Scale, which in our humble opinion is the best mid-range food scale available on the market in 2022. The Escali Primo is one of the most accurate scales on our list of reviews for today. It allows you to quickly measure weight up to 5 kilograms to the nearest gram. In addition, it automatically turns off after 4 minutes. Its interface, which is based on 2 individual buttons, is easy to use. The first button allows you to switch from one measurement unit to the other, while the second one is used to activate the tare function and to turn the device on or off. Escali is perfect for consistent and accurate weighing, which is absolutely essential for good cooking and portion control. As we mentioned, it can measure up to 5 kilograms in 1 gram increments, with an easy-to-read LCD screen, unit conversion function, and tare function, making this model the best in the mid-range. Since most people use their scales in the kitchen, where accidental spills are inevitable, Escali made the scale's display and control panel liquid-proof. When we say this is a durable kitchen scale, we mean it. Escali offers a lifetime warranty on this particular scale, so you can be sure you're getting good quality for your money. It's also worth noting that the scale uses a pair of AA batteries and has a low battery indicator that'll warn you in time about the loss of autonomy. The Escali Primo Digital Scale comes with a fairly modest size of 8.5 by 15 centimeters, so it's easy to keep on a counter or tuck into a cabinet or drawer. Plus, the device is lightweight, which is great for specialty chefs and bakers who want to incorporate a scale into their toolboxes. 4 rubber feet on the floor helped users to keep the scale from slipping. And with fewer grooves compared to many other versions, the Escali scale was among the easiest to clean. The unit we're talking about comes in chrome, although pumpkin orange, black, soft punk, royal blue, soft white, warm red, and green are also available to users, so it will certainly fit into everyone's kitchen environment. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. We've now reached the silver medal and the title of the runner-up best food scale available on the market in 2022, the Taylor Precision Products Stainless Steel Kitchen Scale. This is an innovative product that comes with a display that can be covered with a plate or a container, and the holding function will display the last measured weight. This way, all that's required is to remove the products and read the weight. The Taylor Precision Products Stainless Steel Kitchen Scale boasts a specially engineered design with buttons for easy touch control. These buttons are carefully designed to avoid the collection of dirt, particles, and food residues in the kitchen during operation. Also included in the mix is quality tempered glass, which is particularly resistant to odors and stains that inevitably occur during food preparation. The measuring surface is of durable construction, so you don't have to worry. The Taylor Precision Products Stainless Steel Kitchen Scale works quite intuitively and simply. It'll make weighing small objects in your food without any problems, thanks to various built-in functions such as tare, automatic shutdown, as well as low battery indicator, which will always warn you when it's time to replace it. Automatic shutdown serves to preserve battery life, while the tare function will maintain zero weight during and between adding ingredients. Also, Taylor Precision Products Stainless Steel Kitchen Scale can boast a very good work at night, as well as in those dark conditions when there is not enough light. This is achieved thanks to the built-in 1-inch LCD screen, which is illuminated by a fairly strong and noticeable backlight. In order to get the most accurate reading possible, you need to place the scale on a level and flat surface. The weighing platform is really bigger, so the device will allow you a space of up to 9.5 by 8.5 inches, and it'll give you a precise measurement from 22 pounds in really fine and sensitive increments of even 0.01 ounces. The unit we're analyzing comes in stainless steel finish, but other colors are also available. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have reached a unanimous conclusion that the OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Food Scale is the best overall food scale available on the market in 2022. This model measures in ounces, grams, pounds, and kilograms, saving you from having to do the math. The device has a removable screen, which gives you a clear view of the reading even when using a large pan. It has a minimum weight capacity of 1 gram and a maximum capacity of 11 pounds, or 5 kilograms. The OXO scale has a stainless steel finish that is resistant to smudges and fingerprints. The device has a removable platform that allows for easier cleaning. OXO Good Grips gets all our votes, as its clever slide screen design lets you read measurements with ease, even if it's a heavy large plate or large bowl. An interesting and rather unique thing about this kitchen scale is its removable screen. The special design feature is intended to protect the screen from damage or the shadow of large bowls or plates. The OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Food Scale runs on 4 AAA batteries, measures 9.5 by 7.25 inches, and has a large enough LCD screen with decent readability. The operation is quite simple, as there are only 2 control buttons, the on-off button and the unit conversion button, which switches between ounces, pounds, grams, or kilograms. It's worth noting that OXO Good Grips makes weighing individual items easy. All you have to do is weigh one item on the plate, then 0 and quickly add another, and so on. All in all, if you're looking for an elegant digital kitchen scale of top quality made of stainless steel, this product will fulfill all your wishes and needs, and thanks to its elegant design, it'll fit into any kitchen interior. Also, users point out that the slider panel is quite good and works as intended. You will be satisfied. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best food scales of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.